evoHaX is a 24 hours hackathon with the theme of web accessibility. What we did with this hackathon was that we brought in students from different universities, which are young developers of the future. So we can show them that web accessibility is a really important phenomenon. We introduce students to what a hackathon really is.
Something like evoHaX that brings a new kind of subject, new kinds of attendees, new kinds of ideas, even just a new kinds of format, having a hackathon format. Those are all different ways to get new people involved in the same conversation, which is, yes, there are incredibly brilliant people here in Philadelphia doing really important work, and we're reminded of that. So evoHaX is a fundamentally important part of what Philly Tech Week can be and what we're trying to all collectively message out of the week.
This hackathon hopefully will, like I said, even if there's just one person who is changed, as far as like their way of thinking or in a positive way, I think it's worth my time being here and everyone else's.
What's interesting is when we think of humanity, we consider all of us as equals. Yet there are differences in the way we use resources available to us. And these differences make it difficult for some to use the resources. And web accessibility aims to address that. Here at evoHaX, you're going to see talented individuals, talented students use their abilities to address these problems. The internet is not perfect, but we are making it a better place.
I think it was a great opportunity for students to break away from their studies, kind of apply what they've learned.
Many people from many universities came together and worked together on a project.
Really worked hard to make it so everyone can use your code, everyone can use your application. On a team, there can be some people who know nothing about programming or nothing about web accessibility and how they can still contribute to the team.
My name is Matt McKenna, and I'm from Westchester, University of Pennsylvania.
My name's Eric Fraser, and I'm from LaSalle University.
My name's Anna, and I'm from Drexel University.
My name is Jonah Schwartz. I'm a senior at Swarthmore College.
My name is Mark Black, and I'm representing St. Joseph's University.
Our subject matter expert's name is Eli.
He has alexia. It causes him difficulty when reading, specifically the ability to identify words.
It's a result of often due to stroke.
He has trouble with reading large amounts of information, which obviously on the internet is a huge impediment.
Wally was our expert, and he has a vision impairment. He's blind.
He showed us his phone and how he had all these cool apps and widgets that he could combine with things. So he was able to understand how to use the web and such.
Our subject matter expert was Neil McDevitt. He works at the DHCC, which is the Deaf Hearing Community Center. He talked with us about kind of the issues that deaf and hard of hearing people deal with navigating the internet.
We were ambitious and we wanted to get a greater scope of solving visual and physical disabilities all together using voice recognition for hands-free interaction with web browsing, software application usage, and pretty much anything that you have to interface with on a computer.
It's basically a service where someone uploads pictures, and then when you upload a picture, someone captions it. Its main function is to help people who can't see what these pictures are and describe it.
We're trying to create a hotkey navigation that's going to be universal across all websites. Instead of having to search through the page incrementally, you can go to a website, the extension will look at the website for you very quickly and set up those hotkeys. So if you do the hotkey for home, it'll take you home. If you do the hotkey for the login screen, it will automatically take you to the login screen, and you can just start doing what you want to do.
We were going to get data from the YouTube API for different genres of videos, which ones have captions and which ones don't, and display that in a kind of interactive infographic.
We are working on basically a plugin that does text replacement. So we go in and we find certain keywords and we add to them a symbol that is representative of the word. And there's a lot that are really straightforward, like a play icon, fast forward, the sorts of things that you'd expect, but we've done a lot of other less obvious symbols as well. Basically what we did is we got text versions of these symbols so that we can go in and put them in directly into the websites. This is my third one.
This is my first hackathon.
This is my fourth hackathon.
Yeah, this is my first one.
This would be my second hackathon.
It's a much smaller, intimate environment, and I'm actually really enjoying it.
What I like about evoHaX is that we're doing something important here. It's about making something important that will affect people and will have something you can take away and you can walk away and be proud of. Not just, I accomplished this, but I accomplished this and it's something that will help people.
Everything is just wonderful here.
Bigger, I'd have to say, scale-wise, as far as having more diversity as far as different schools.
I really liked being teamed up with the different specialists. It's going to make for a big variety of the types of projects that you'll get out of every group.
We definitely learned a lot about the challenges facing web accessibility and thought about things that we didn't really think about before.
We learned how to work together as a team and collaborate on different things.
It takes a lot of hard work for you to be able to bring an idea into reality, and that inspires us to move forward with this project.
Yes.
If I'm around, I would definitely be interested in coming back.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah, definitely.